paper and I'm a digital marketer. Okay, so just imagine how, I mean, if you talk about the requirements of a digital marketing for being a digital marketer, so you need a laptop, internet connectivity, but sharp marketing mind. That is the best part of digital marketer because everyone can be a digital marketer, but sharp marketing mind makes you a better digital marketer. So definitely, I mean, what makes you boring? If you all have this, I can say you can say to your parents that, "Hi, Mama, I'm using Facebook for my company." So just imagine, there was a time in old days when we bit enough for this. I mean, we are using Facebook morning, evening, and every time. But this time, this is a skill. This is paying you and paying you a huge money. Okay, that today we are going to talk. Okay, so basically, we can wait another 1 to 2 minutes, not 2 minutes, 1 minute. Then we'll move to the slide because for the few slides I'm taking today, and then Swati will take over. And before that, let's, also engage something. So after learning digital marketing for day one, I mean, have you tried something? कि आज Google पे search करते हैं something or some digital marketing concepts or anything about digital marketing. Have you tried yesterday? I mean, after learning this concept from digital marketing, anyone? So if you have tried, then today definitely you would have seen ads, different type of advertisement. It is Facebook ad, Instagram ad, and whatever the things. Okay, so I think Swati has discussion. So definitely, I mean, we're going to just wait. I'm sharing the screen, and okay. So just, are you able to see the screen? Someone can write in the chat section. Uh, no, sir. Okay. Might be take a few. Okay. Then it could be a visual because now we can see, sir. Oh, okay. Definitely great. We have to accept. Yeah, definitely. I mean, you are getting a certificate if you have completed yesterday's and today's scholarship program. You are getting a certificate. So don't miss, attend the full session today so that you can be a eligible candidate for the certificate. Okay, thank you. So basically, without further delay, the conversation. For the next few minutes, I'm taking the slides so that we can have a, leftover interaction, whatever we haven't covered yesterday. So this was the slide where we have left that remember the scene, what he was doing. Actually, this is scene from the Three Idiot, and he was actually waiting for the result. I'm sure after every exam, you, me, or any person always wait for the result. So the Razu is also waiting for the result. But what kind of result? Just see. Okay. So basically, this is a sad emoji, and he was saying, "Why can't anyone find my website? I mean, I have created the website, I have created the blog, I have done the SEO, I have made a social media presence, but why my website is not on a Google?" So might be this is the few question that everyone and many of us ask. My website is not visible on the Google. So it's just because we haven't registered on a Google Search Console and Google Analytics tool. Okay, it's like key. This is a report card of your website. Okay, just take an example and go back to your school days or a. So what have to see after giving an exam, we should wait for the result, and it was the result day. So it was a very fear for us ki how much marks we are going to take, how much grade, what percentage of grade we are going to take away. So this is also in a case of website. I mean, if you have made a website, then you should register it on a Google console, and then to track your performance of a website, you should register it on a Google Analytics. So basically, after creating your website, we are going to make you registered and make you aware of the platform. That is what Google Console is and what Google Analytics. So this is the reason why your website is not appearing in a Google search result. Okay, because might be we have missed our URL to be registered it on a Google Console. Okay, it's like I mean, suppose if I am moving to new city and I want to take a new home, so definitely I have to do a registrar of my home. In the same way, after making any website, you should make its presence on a console. So this is the report card of our Google, and it's like a screenshot which I took. So definitely we are going to learn in more about in YA classes that how Google Console, how Google Analytics to perform. Okay. So again, we are moving to the next slide. What do you think? You mean that I have to create a content to generate lead? I mean, this is just a meme which I took from the Google. See, everyone thinks just what is content marketing? I mean, for generating lead, I should have a great content. So just, I mean, before content marketing, before content creativity, let's focus on what is lead, because lead is more important. I mean, I can't say ki if I have a content but I don't have any lead, so my campaign is waste. Okay, it's like let's discuss what is lead. So basically, lead is something. I mean, taking away the information. Okay, let's take an example. Suppose I'm saying so if I means if anyhow I can get the name of Eva. I mean Eva definitely I'm pronouncing her email address, and then I mean we can say content details, contact details. So if by any means I'm taking these three details, name, email, and contact details, then that becomes the lead for me. Okay, and just take an example. Watch YouTube videos. Every time we watch, we search on a Google different types of blogs and websites. So we are basically lead for them. Why? Because we are signing up. Okay. And in signing, what we are using our name, our email address as a contact details. So definitely we are the lead for a business. And just take an example. If someone says, I can say, today, I mean, learn digital marketing with advanced technology. Definitely, you are going to, I mean, click over there and you are going to sign up for the course. So, in the same way, content marketing plays an important role in generating the lead, because whatever you see on YouTube and whatever you what you are going to do. I mean, you are just either browsing the videos on a Google, or sorry, YouTube, or browsing the search query on a Google. It's just because of the content. Because if you like the content, you are going to watch. If you like the content, you are going to read. So what matters? Content matters. And definitely in YA classes, we are going to learn about how a content should look like. I mean, what are the catchy, how to begin with the content paragraph, what are the body of a content, how to end those content. So definitely there are various techniques which we are going to cover in YA classes, because content matters. What matters? It matters for the lead, because until and unless I'm not signing up, I'm not going to buy your product, or I'm not going to get more traffic for your website. Okay, just like suppose, just take me example. IPL is coming. Okay, and for buying the package of IPL, I need to sign up for the Hotstar. When I'm signing into the Hotstar, I am providing my name, email, content details to the Hotstar. And the way I am providing to the Hotstar, after 1 year of expiration, they are going to mail me. So just example, content marketing, one of the part of digital marketing, and for generating lead, it is the king. Okay, so content is the king for digital marketing. So let's begin with the another slide. So I mean, this is what we can say. This is the summary of whatever I've learned and how we are going to do it in the future. Okay, I mean, just I can say, you can see here, pathway to learn digital marketing at Ye classes. Okay, I mean, definitely after a few couple of weeks, we are going to begin our Ye classes. So how we are going to do it, and what are the things, practical things, what are the theoretical things that we are going to teach you, and how it is an impact in your personal life or it in a career or professional life. Okay, so basically this is the pathway. The way you enter in the Ye classes will start you and will make you learn about your domain. I mean, will begin with your domain, will make you create your website, create your blog. So www.yourname.com. Okay, your name basically is your name. I mean, after joining Ye classes and after 30 days of your classes, you will come out with your own domain name. So just imagine, I mean, the way you joined Ye classes, and after joining the Ye classes, your presence is on Google, your presence is on social media accounts. Okay, and then second, we are going to rank your website on the top pages. What are the tactics? What are the techniques we are going to create so that you can rank your website in the top pages? Then third, your website on a different social media. Okay, so I mean, we are going to create your website presence on Facebook, on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever, because we want to teach you different social media accounts. Uh, okay, so and this then we are going to make a two live project. One is Facebook live, matlab Facebook and Instagram, and we are going to make you create your first Facebook or Instagram paid ad campaign. So just imagine you have a project that you had done a Facebook or Instagram something project or ads, and then we are going to create you Google ads. I mean, you are going to learn, you are going to practice, and you are going to practice your Google ads on your created blog or website. And then final, analytics tool. I mean, you are going to learn about how to register a Google console, how to register it on a Google Analytics. So I mean, the way the day you enter to the Ye classes, and after 30 days, you all have this thing. You have a website, you have a blog, you have a Facebook account, you have an Instagram, Twitter, analytics tool, everything. I mean, nothing is that you are going to. I mean, it's not like theoretical learning. Everything is a practical, live practical learning. So definitely, these are the things that we are going to cover in Ye classes. But for the today's session, we are going to learn about career aspect, scope of our digital marketing. But before I hand over the things to Swati, I want to clear few doubts, which definitely many of us have. Okay, let's talk about myth about digital marketing. Again, myth versus reality. Are n number of myths. I mean, digital marketing course can have. But let's talk about the few things. So we are going to talk about these four things. Okay, so let's. I mean, the first myth, or we can say, I mean, doubt or myth, anything that, I mean, coding experience required for digital marketing. So I say no. I mean, you are the person you want. You don't need a developer, or you don't need anything to design a website. So for digital marketing, no coding experience required. You are going to create a website on a WordPress, on a Wix, or on a Blogger. But all these things have a pre-designed templates. So no coding experience required for being a digital marketing course. Okay. Then second myth or fact we can say, tech versus non-tech. It means कि someone asks कि is digital marketing is a tech skill or it's non-tech skill. So I can say, I mean, it's not like tech or non-tech. It's like few of the thing is tech and few of the thing is non-tech. For I mean, we can say 90% thing is a non-tech. So there is no techno. I mean, technology is involved, but it's not converted to the tech skills. Okay. So I mean, anyone can do. So basically, digital marketing can be learned by an engineer or a MBA person or a BBA graduate, or in fact a 12 pass out person. Definitely we are going to cover in coming early start. But for any domain, any designation, anyone can learn, because I consider myself, I mean, myself an engineer who turned out to be a digital marketer. So I am an engineer. I have a tech skill zero. So I converted to a digital marketer, and definitely I'm enjoying the skill. So definitely, I mean, what are the various in converted? We'll discuss in at Ye classes. What are the, I mean, various reasons are involved being converted to the digital marketer. Because believe me, digital marketer I'm enjoying right now, and my profession and my personal life also. Then third thing, early start. I mean, person. So I should register at digital marketing course. You should, whether you are in 10th standard or whether you are in 12th standard or first year, second year, third year, graduate, entrepreneur, PhD, anyone. I mean, you should learn marketing. There is no early start, there is no late start, nothing. Okay, it's not like I have to graduate to pursue my MBA, to pursue my master's. No, whatever. I mean, right moment today, at this moment, also you can start a digital marketing course. So early start, late start, no, nothing matters, because there are n number of bloggers whose age is, I mean, you can say just 14 years, 15 years. These are n number of YouTubers whose age are 18 years, 19 years. So just imagine, there is no, I mean, there is early start and late start, no concept in digital marketing. And then fourth thing, add-on skill. Definitely, it is an add-on skill, whatever you are learning at your core skill. You can say ki data scientist, but additional skill is digital marketing. You can also add, I am a data scientist plus digital marketer. Because why? This combo work in the industry. Analytics plus marketing work in the industry. Photoshop plus marketing work in the industry. Management plus marketing work in the industry. So this is the add-on skill, whatever you are pursuing right now. Okay. I mean, if you are pursuing graduation, if you are pursuing first year, second year, final year, 12th, whatever the core skill you are pursuing, this is an add-on skill. Like add-on pack of Tata Sky, Dish TV, whatever you can consider. But this is the add-on skill which you can have. And for proudly, you can say, yes, I am a this and I am a digital marketer. I am a this, I am a digital marketer. So this is an add-on skill that need to be learned. Okay. So I think, yes, for this slide, I want to hand over the things to Swati. So take over. Swati will present from now onwards. So welcome, Swati.
Okay. Hello, everybody. My name is Swati Srivastava, and I am a digital marketing mentor for all of you guys today. So, first of all, let me introduce myself. I am an electrical engineer, and I am currently in 4th year of my degree. And yet, here I am. I am a digital marketing mentor and at Yale. And as you guys have already attended one session that was introduced by Vikram. So I think you guys must have introduced yourself first yesterday. If you did, I'm going to be asking you guys to introduce yourself today as well. Sorry for bothering you, but then I really want to know all of you before we start. So I've introduced myself. Let's start with you all. So let's start with Achman Saxena. Could you please unmute your mic and introduce yourself in brief? Uh, guys, can you hear me? Vikram, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay, so why is it not responding?
Because it was muted by host. So I unmuted him. So Archan, you can speak now.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Achman.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, how are you, Achman?
Ma'am, I am fine.
Okay. So tell me about yourself a little.
Ma'am, I am from commerce stream and I very interested in digital marketing. So,
Okay, very well. Okay, so you are in commerce and you're in school right now or in college?
ma'am, I have passed 12th class and
Okay,
I waiting.
okay, very good. So let's move on to the next person, which is Amirtha. Amirtha, can you unmute yourself and introduce?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Okay. Hi.
This is Amrita Ratnavelu from Chennai, and I'm currently pursuing my final bachelor's year in economics.
Very
Lately,
good.
I've been really moved by the concept of digital marketing, so I started to doing a lot of courses. But I completed the Google Digital Garage Fundamental. Yeah, I'm being attending a lot of webinars, so this is my go-to.
Okay, very good, Amirtha. I'm looking forward to meet you guys.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Okay.
okay, next is Eva. Eva, can you unmute yourself? Eva, could you please introduce yourself? It's okay if there is some issue, some internet issue, or like, okay, hello, Eva. I cannot hear you. Unmute her, please, Vikram.
Shri,
Yes, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening.
I am Eva Taktakin from the Philippines. I
Okay.
am still pursuing my third year in Bachelor of Science in Business Management, major in marketing, and looking forward to also learn here at yai.com as being part of this scholarships program. And it is my pleasure to be part of this. And thank you very much.
Thank you, Eva. That was a very nice introduction. And let's move on to Gusharan. Gusharan, can you unmute yourself? Okay, Gusharan. Okay. Just try once. If it is not happening, it's okay. We can move on to the next person.
Hello.
Hi, Gusharan.
Yes, ma'am. I'm BTech third year student from MATE.
Very good.
And actually, I joined late. I don't know what I have to say. Like, what?
Okay. You just have to introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm BTech third year student from MATE, Delhi.
All right. Thank you, Gusharan. Let's move on to the next person, which is Emma Meghana. Let's.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm MR Meghna, pursuing BTech second year in the stream of computer science in IIIT RK Valley. And being a computer science student, I've chose digital marketing as my hobby. And I want to know more about this. Help me, and I was selected for this scholarship. Very happy to join the class with Vikram ji and thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, MR. Pranati?
Hello, ma'am. Hi,
Hello,
sir,
Pranati.
and a very good evening to one and all. Myself, I'm Pranati, and I'm pursuing third year in computer science engineering from Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women. I'm really very interested in digital marketing, and I'm very happy to be a part of YI to learn digital marketing from you and Vikram, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good. Saloni?
Hello.
Hi, Saloni.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, everyone. I'm Saloni. Basically, I'm a CS student, but I'm more interested in digital marketing as I'm handling, social media marketing at Offer Trust. So I'm keen to know more aspects of digital marketing and social media marketing, and I want to know how the thing works. So hence I'm here. Thank you.
Very well. Okay. Vijaya? Vijay? Oh,
Yeah, hello, ma'am.
yeah.
I am a second year engineering student from SNDT University, Mumbai.
Okay.
I'm keen on learning more about digital marketing. That's why I'm part of this program. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Vijaya. Vishal? Are you there, Vishal? Okay, Vishal is probably not here, but okay. Let's move on. So my first question to you all is, have you ever thought about how, if somebody starts a company or an individual wants to promote himself or herself, what do you think is going to be the method? Obviously, the answer is digital marketing. So the thing is that till now, Vikram sir has introduced the basic aspects of digital marketing, and digital marketing has boomed since the pandemic. This is just a fact. We started this we planned this course before the pandemic, but this is an added advantage that I want you guys to know, that uh, digital marketing has boomed since the pandemic, because obviously all the offline marketing methods are were stopped because of the pandemic. So uh, it is now it has now set a standard for all the companies, that even the companies who didn't have a digital marketing team, or they were not they were getting business without digital marketing, even they have started this digital marketing thing. So uh, there is a lot of scope in digital marketing, not only at a small level. It has a huge scope in future. The main the main fact that has affected this is that earlier there was no standard of marketing. Everybody would just go with what was benefiting them. Okay, but now digital marketing is the in this whole 6 or 6 7 month span of time, it is the only method it was the only method to market yourself or advertise yourself. So it has set a standard, and that is